This event will celebrate 50 years of global health progress. Much has been achieved in creating new treatments for patients over the last 50 years. Tremendous amount, but to go forward we need to work together. We want to collaborate with all the stakeholders, including patients, to go forward for the future in the next 50 years so we can widen the number of treatments, widen the availability for all of those who need it in the world. It's the right time, I think, to reach out to people in the global health community because we are entering a new phase. We are entering a phase of the SDGs. We are entering a phase in which new areas are being talked about, particularly universal healthcare coverage, healthcare system strengthening, health security, and partnerships. This is the way to go forward, I think, in the 21st century. People should come with a very open mindset. We want to have dialogue. In fact, the people that we've invited to speak and to be in the panel represent the whole constituency that exists in global public health. The event takes place on the 23rd of May. It's at the Intercontinental Hotel and it will start at 1800 hours and essentially kick off at 1830, so be there.